back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day or a great night depending on when you're watching this video. Happy Halloween, everyone. If you celebrate Halloween, I hope you all have a great day and I hope you all stay safe, get a lot of candy. Me, I am currently on lunch trying to record this video, so let's go ahead and get started. It's not going to be long at all whatsoever. What just happened? It's not going to be long at all whatsoever, so let's go ahead and get started. So we're starting out with $1,446. I've already sent my sister some money, and this paycheck budget is going to look different than what I normally do. So this is my magic month paycheck. So excited. Let's see what's going to happen. So when it comes to my bills and me getting ahead on the bills, I typically set aside more money than I need for the bills. So most bills are already ahead, except for maybe two or three. So we're starting with State Farm. For State Farm, I'm giving State Farm the total amount for the next month, which would put me a month ahead. So $258 for November bill. And that means I'll just start paying the November bill, or what I get paid for November for my paychecks. I will put those towards the next month. So I have $1,188 left. Let's see what I'm paying next. Netflix. I'm going to go ahead and pay Netflix. I did have the money already set aside for Netflix, but I ended up spending it, so I'm just adding it back, and this means that the month of November bill for Netflix is taken care of, and now I have 1,180 bucks. Let's see what we're paying next. So as you can see, I do have a big question mark beside it. I'm not sure if I want to take care of half of the rent. And hold on, stuff is falling. Okay, so I'm back. So half of my current rent is $470. I did go ahead and budget that in. That way I could be a half amount ahead for the rent. The rent for October, I just need to get a money order and turn it in. And then what that means for November is once I get paid for November, I'll just continue to split all the bills in half like I've been doing. Next, which I don't have to pay this, so I'm so far ahead on the car payment that I only have $300 and I think $23 that's due on my birthday in January, but I do want to send just $30 to it, so I have $680 left. And what I'm doing now is, first we're going to take care of cash envelopes. This is what I came up with. I did calculate to see how many days we would actually be home before getting, the first paycheck for the month of November, and I'm going to budget $160. Hopefully that would work. For spending, I'm going to do like I did this last paycheck and do 80. Out to eat, just in case, I'll do 40 bucks. And for travel, I'm still doing $60, which would leave me with $340. So for that $340, I know for a fact that I'm going to put $40 towards my credit card, and then I'll end up with $300 left. I'm not really sure how I want to disperse the money. I've been trying to get that written out. So far, when it comes to everything with the extra cash, this is what everything looks like. As you can see, I've been back and forth and back and forth and back and forth and back and forth again so much about how I want to put the money. I know I need to add some cash to emergency because, well, emergency always needs some cash. And I know I'm going to use $60 for that for my hair. And I know that I need to add money for health care. Not really sure about celebration. I know I need to add money for most of these up here. So girls trip, best friend's wedding, that's not until 2026. I may decide to take this $10 away, but I'm not quite sure just yet. That's why this video is so short. Once I come up with what I want to do, of course, I will tell you all about it, and we'll do a cash stuffing. I did get paid Wednesday. I also got some cash coming in Friday since I do send my money to multiple accounts. And I also need to move some money around since I typically have money going to multiple banks for different reasons. But this time I just need to get all the cash, move it around, and put it where I need to put it. What do you guys think about this? So, of course, with this challenge, well, not this challenge, but with these challenge, I typically use that for my emergency fund. I know I'm going to set $37 aside. What else should I focus on? I know I need to focus on this right here. I know I should probably start focusing on the 2025 family reunion. I'm not sure what I need just yet as far as how much it would be. I know I probably end up needing a lot of money to the point where I may not be able to go, but we'll see. At least I can try, right? I'm also most likely going to add nothing to investing, but I am going to add probably $7 to Christmas if I add that at all. I just want an even amount, but I realize that that amount will never be even due to the interest. So we'll figure out where I want this $340 to go. Once I figure that out, I will let you all know in another video. Remember, have a safe, happy Halloween. And I'm not sure if Sin already hit her yeah, watch hours mark yet. I know yesterday she did say she should hit that goal today, but I'm not sure just yet. I haven't talked to her. Actually, I haven't hardly talked to anyone today, so I've been busy trying to figure out where I want this money to go. I have who knows how much paper. And when I still have money that needs a home, I like to focus. So I'll see you all in the next video. I can't wait to come out with my November budget for the month of August. So stay tuned for that. I have to get everything written out. I think November is going to be a good month. Even though I still have $300 left, I could have put it all towards Navy Federal, but that's okay. I'm not going to do that because Navy Federal won't be due, like I said, until December. I'll most likely, once everything goes through, I know I sent $40 to Navy Federal to pay for what I got from Chris. So stay tuned for a giveaway with some of her things. And I'll just, whatever is left, I'll most likely divide it by 2 or 3 and get it paid off that way.